Today I want to talk to you about our TAPiTAG Dynamic Profile, a game changer in how you connect with people and what information that you share and receive back. On my profile here, what I will show you is I've got my banner image, which you can customize. Everything you see, by the way, is customizable. My banner image, my profile picture, name, title, little bio as well. Down here, exchange contact, the most important and most powerful button on your profile. It allows you to capture details back from people you connect with. So you'll tap your card or your TAPiTAG off somebody else's phone. They'll be able to hit the exchange contact button and upload this little form field where they can fill in their details. It works with autofill as well, so they won't even have to fill in all the fields. You can update what fields you want to share. Once they hit Let's Connect, you both connect instantly. I will also show you, if they want to just save your details down to their phone, we've got a save contact button and downloads your details straight away into their mobile device. All of your contact details, socials, websites, all stored here. When they save your details, they're saving that down too. So you can update these at any time. You're in full control of what you share and when you share it. Meeting link, so I've got my Teams meeting link. If I meet somebody and I say, hey, that's an interesting product or an interesting concept, or let's catch up, let's follow up, somebody can book a meeting with me straight away via my TAPiTAG. Also customized icons. So I've got my TAPiTAG official profile here. I've got Jim Associates, which is our in-house digital marketing team who offers digital marketing services all across the world. And then our Amazon store then too. So we also have our Amazon store, which has all of our ready-made products ready to ship straight away. You could have up here your menu, a PDF, a sales brochure. You could have a link to a video. Anything is possible here. If you want to create a customized icon that is for WhatsApp business, pop it on there. And you can create as many as you like. There's no limit to what you can create on TAPiTAG. We also have our YouTube videos or Vimeo. Pop them up. Somebody can watch in-app your videos. By the way, your TAPiTAG profile, I forgot to mention, loads up on your web browser. You don't need an app. The other person doesn't need an app. It loads up on your web browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, whatever you're using, it loads up seamlessly. Link to my website, so you can have a customized link onto your website, and then the photo gallery then as well, links to different products. You can have literally a full product portfolio or a personal portfolio up here straight away, ready to go. The beautiful thing about TAPiTAG is, if I want to change something, I click the little login icon in the top right hand corner, and it brings me to the login page where I can go in, make some changes on my profile and update it instantly. Whereas if you're using paper or traditional means of connecting with people, unfortunately, you're going to have to get another 250 printed, whereas with TAPiTAG, you are ready to go, ready to connect at any time. That's our profile. Change the colorways, change the fonts, add in gradients, whatever suits you and your business and your style. You've got it in TAPiTAG. Choose from a various amount of our products. We've got cards, mini cards, wristbands, lanyards, key rings. The list is endless, all available from our Amazon store today. Have a browse. If there's any questions, feel free to look at our FAQs or reach out to our team. Thank you.